Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that's a little less glamorous, but just as important, personal grooming. Whether you're trying to maintain smooth, hair-free skin or just want to stay well-groomed in all the right places, choosing the right tool can make all the difference. Today, we're looking at the Philips Norelco OneBlade Intimate Pubic and Personal Body Groomer and its partner in crime, the OneBlade Intimate SkinProtect Replacement Blades. It's a grooming system designed specifically for sensitive areas, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, a quick reminder. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review here on Beautyistic. Now, let's dive into the details. This bundle includes the Philips Norelco OneBlade Intimate Pubic Groomer Handle, 3 SkinProtect blades, 1 3mm body comb, and a USB charging cable. So, what's the deal with all these parts? And why should you care? The SkinProtect blade is designed to provide an extra layer of protection, especially for those sensitive areas, minimizing nicks and cuts, which is a real concern when it comes to intimate grooming. What sets this product apart is its unique design. The OneBlade Intimate features a dual-sided blade, allowing you to easily shave both up and down. This flexibility ensures you can style with confidence, whether you're trimming or shaving. The included 3mm body comb makes trimming intimate hair much easier and more efficient, no matter what direction you prefer. You get a smooth, controlled experience, no matter where you're using it. Now, what about the actual experience? I have to admit, I was a bit skeptical at first. After all, shaving such delicate areas requires some real precision and care. But I was pleasantly surprised. The blade glided smoothly over my skin without pulling, and I didn't feel any irritation. It's fully waterproof too, so you can shave in the shower or bath, either with or without shaving foam. Plus, it's super easy to rinse underwater to clean. The OneBlade Intimate isn't just about comfort, it's built to last. The stainless steel blades are designed to last up to 4 months, based on regular use, about 2 shaves per week. That's pretty solid, especially when compared to disposable razors that need to be replaced constantly. However, one thing to note is that the charging cable doesn't come with a wall adapter, so you'll need to use your own. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros: it's safe to use on sensitive skin, the design makes trimming and shaving easy, it's fully waterproof, and the blades last a decent amount of time. Plus, the fact that it comes with the 3mm body comb makes trimming super convenient. The cons? While the blades last up to 4 months, they can wear out a bit faster depending on your shaving frequency. And remember, the wall adapter isn't included with the charging cable, which is a small inconvenience. Is it worth the price? Given the thoughtful design and high-quality performance, I'd say yes. It's a great investment if you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting body groomer, especially for sensitive areas. When compared to similar products, the OneBlade Intimate stands out because of its waterproof capabilities, ease of use, and durable blades. While there are cheaper options out there, the added features make this one feel like a more premium option in the personal grooming market. As for build quality, the OneBlade Intimate feels solid in hand, and the materials used, especially in the blades, seem durable. The waterproof feature makes it easy to use and clean without worrying about damage over time. If you're someone who values safety and comfort in intimate grooming, this tool is a great choice. However, if you're looking for something super budget-friendly, there are alternatives that offer basic grooming features without the extra cost. So, does the Philips Norelco OneBlade Intimate live up to its claims? In my opinion, absolutely. It's comfortable, easy to use, and designed specifically for sensitive areas, making it a reliable option for anyone looking to upgrade their grooming routine. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to check the link in the comments or description box to purchase it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.